Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we are taking a look at a very powerful tool for your rooted Android device. It is called the WaEnhancer LSposed module. If you have ever wanted to take full control over your messaging experience, this is exactly what you have been looking for. WaEnhancer is an exposed module packed with an incredible amount of features that completely transform how you use the app. But before we begin, a very important warning. This module is intended for educational purposes only. You may have problems with your account, including the risk of getting banned. Please use it entirely at your own risk. Alright, let's get started. As you can see here on my screen, I have opened up my file manager and navigated to my downloads folder. Right here is the WaEnhancer APK file that we will be using today. You can find the download link for this exact file right down in the video description below. Now, for this to work, you absolutely must ensure that your device is rooted and has LSposed installed. I have already installed LSposed on this device. If you haven't done that yet, I made a dedicated video showing you exactly how to install LSposed on Android 17, so be sure to watch that first. Assuming you are all set up with root and LSposed, let's proceed. Simply tap on the WaEnhancer APK file in your file manager. Hit Install, and wait for the Android package installer to finish the process. Once the app is installed, do not open it just yet. Instead, open your LSposed installer app, navigate to the Module section, and enable the WaEnhancer module. Now let's open up WaEnhancer and explore its massive list of features. The user interface is straightforward, divided into several powerful categories. First up is the Privacy section. Here, you can hide the forwarded tag, remove forward limits, and disable pinned chat limits. You can completely freeze your last seen, hide your status views, hide blue ticks, and even bypass view once restrictions so you can see those images whenever you want. It also lets you hide typing and recording indicators, send blue ticks only upon replying, and enable an Anti-Revoke feature for both messages and statuses so nobody can delete things from your end. You can even set custom privacy per contact or enable full ghost mode. Moving on to the home screen settings, you can separate your groups, hide archived chats, remove channel recommendations, and even enable Instagram-style statuses right on your home screen. Under the General tab, you get incredible tools like Google Translate integration, Tasker automation, a bootloader spoofer, and custom double-click reactions. The Media section is equally impressive. You can easily download statuses and view once media directly to your phone. It allows you to send high-definition videos and images, push videos in 60 frames per second at their original resolution, and increase the video size limits. For those who love personalization, the Customization tab lets you change primary, secondary, and background colors. You can completely customize your chat bubble colors, apply custom CSS themes, change your status style to the old UI, and manage everything through a dedicated theme manager. Finally, in the Others section, you get handy tweaks like asking for confirmation before sending a sticker, selection of call types, and stamping copied messages. This module truly gives you the ultimate power over your messaging experience, offering features you simply won't find anywhere else. Remember to check the description for the download link and my LSposed installation guide. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe for more content, and I will see you in the next one.